What up, Truth Team? This your boy Music 101 and Mickey back with another episode of Messy Mickey with the T. So make sure y'all tap in, hit that like button, comment, subscribe, and turn on all post notifications and enjoy the show.
Bruh, Hilton ass took me out. She was just over it. Like, I thought she was gonna have an aneurysm, like right there. Like, she need to go get a CAT scan after today. Cause they had her stressed. Okay.
Then investigator Viverito's bias against that
being called a bad name?
No. If she is in an altercation with someone that's in a relationship with the defendant, I think, and especially if it is a threat, because
How is that a threat?
That's the last time you're going to call me a hoe.
Now, how is that a threat? Bruh, you know how that was a threat? Cause listen, I'm just gonna say this, okay? Like, y'all know, like, especially ladies, come on, ladies, y'all know what it be. Somebody be all right, get smart again, bitch. Y'all know how it go. You be like, get smart again, bitch. Okay? Let me hear you say my name one more time, bitch. Y'all know how that go. Y'all, come on, ladies. Y'all done had that moment when you be ready to pop off. If this bitch want me one more motherfucking time, okay? If this bitch shut that door one more motherfucking time, or this the last time you run up on me, ho. This the last time you call my man phone, ho. Okay? And y'all know what come with that. Y'all know what you mean when you say it. That mean if you do it, okay, you won't be able to do that shit a motherfucking again. Okay? I'm just saying, you won't be able to do it again. Come on, ladies. Now, I gotta talk to the ladies, because fellas, y'all know, normally my channel is full of the men, and y'all know I love me some good hood boogie shit, you know. But right now, I gotta talk to the ladies, because this is messy, okay? But ladies, y'all already know, when you tell a bitch they won't get another chance to do something, you know what you mean? You won't reach out and touch her if she do it again, or you want her to feel like you want to reach out and touch her. Okay? I'm just saying. And I'm going to be real. I'm going to be honest. Okay? The fact that hoe was used make you know they like some professionals going back and forth, okay? Because like I told y'all, I would have said bitch. Bitch, you won't never be able to call me another name again, okay? Like, see, bitch is my go-to word. But, you know, when you ain't trying to really turn up and really like do like you got a little something to lose, hoe, okay, hoe, it's, you know, derogatory, but, you know, you can get away with saying that shit in the courthouse. So you already know what type of people you got going on. Like, it was kind of like conservative. But you know what she meant, okay? And I'm just saying, and you the police, listen, if the police tell me I won't be able to do something, man, you threat, like, that's the threat for sure. Cause what you mean? You gonna try to set me up? You trying to put a case on me? Kimbella, what to do? Like, what's going on? Shawnee said, Pages and Kurt, she just done with this case, so she wasn't about to let nothing stop this from ending. For sure, I think that too, for sure. For sure. But hold on, okay? Y'all know, hold on. Then they probably use the hands. Listen, they probably had the hands going. Now now you know somebody about to reach out one day. Bitch, you got one motherfucking time when you start clapping that fucking hand. Listen, okay, let me get back to it, because I'm just saying, like, that shit when they get to popping them hands. Listen.
I mean, I've had clients arrested for less.
For sure.
You may ask.
Hilton looked so defeated just now. She was like, man, I don't even know if I should say anything no more. Like, she was just over it.
Thank you, Your Honor.
No, I'm not finished with my
That part was funny to me.
sentence. You may ask if she is following the case and has been following the case in any kind of manner. But it's really only relevant if she listened to the testimony of a witness.
Oh, Sassy Pants about to say something.
So you could ask that. But if she's just
I was a
looking
witness.
at And I don't even know if she was looking at. Maybe
I
somebody.
didn't.
Kayla, this the wrong time for you to say you was a witness on anything now. Let them mess up. Kayla, I was a witness, bro. Don't bring that back up.
Words. Period.
So why don't we get her in here and find all of that out outside the presence of the jury?
Oh no, don't
we
get
go
me in
into
there.
something
Hell no.
that
I
ends
said
up being
outside.
something
Don't get me
Well,
in
that's why I
there.
wanted to bring it
No,
up
no,
when the jury
no.
wasn't here, Your Honor.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie. When we first met Kayla Bumpus with Woody and stuff, cause I ain't gonna lie, I had to run it back. Y'all remember her very first line? Her very she ran up. Matter of fact, let me show y'all real quick. I had to go back. She don't have it on her page no more. But remember, we was interested. You know what I'm saying? When she first popped out with Lil Woody, and you fired. We was all into that. Okay. So it's not on her page no more, but I still got it on my page. Okay. As soon as I can find it, give me a second. And I ain't gonna play too much of it. I just like her whole demeanor since then is different. Like it's just different. I don't know. All right, bam. Let me see. All right. With Miss Bumpus. Okay, might as well. Because you a hot topic, girl. Might as well go ahead. Get your page monetized, all that good stuff. Okay. See, I've been all for it. Hell, I ain't know it's gonna lead to this shit here. But run up a check. Arthur, what's up? Hold on, I'm trying to get to when she's talking.
Court 11:40-ish, and court started immediately. So I immediately went into the courtroom. And I want to say that maybe 30 minutes into being in the courtroom that we went on break. And when we went on break,
I didn't get that.
when we went on break is when we hear about this infamous got you on camera video.
Okay, so boom, like I said, I'm all for the foolery because at the end of the day, I get how this content shit go. But she do seem a little different. And yeah, I'm on you. Matter of fact, do y'all want Tea Time Thursday? Because I done told, side note, okay, Miss Me With That BS, Kimbella Roxy, y'all make sure y'all subscribe to their channel. But they be playing. I told them we should have one tomorrow, but they ain't never got back to me. I'm just like, they ain't never got back with me. All right, listen to you.
Yeah, I mean, I don't think saying who this is before we find out anything. I mean, do we know whether we don't even know whether she's actually married to him or if she was married to him at the time or if Miss Viverito knows that.
I see ain't nobody, she ain't asked that question either. I see that judge she ain't want to know. She ain't want to know, okay? She just like, yo, we almost there. Like, we almost there. What y'all doing?
Period.
Or if it was because of any kind of bias against Mr. Stillwell, or just that she doesn't like being called that name.
Well, and no one would, Your Honor, obviously.
Hey, come on. I still stand on what I said. Somebody calling you a hoe, ain't you the police? Do you know what people call the fucking police though? Like on some real stuff. Okay, now y'all thinking about something we gonna do on Tea Time Thursday tomorrow. Y'all hold it to it. Yeah, Max was definitely smirking the whole time. I definitely think it was purposeful to put it on the record for sure. But y'all check out my last video. I'll go into that. But listen, yeah, it's like, come on, Zaria, what to do?
But if she is in an altercation with someone in a relationship,
What do you mean by altercation?
a verbal altercation,
Okay. I mean,
You know,
a
if there's-
verbal.
Man, come on now. That's when the judge pissed me off. Cause if you go in there and just raise your voice, they be trying to fucking lock your ass up in the courtroom. Like on some real stuff, man, you know that. Come on. And anyway, I hadn't stopped mid-sentence what I was thinking about. Anyway, ain't no way she got that hell bent over being called a hoe. And ladies and fellas too, y'all correct me if I'm wrong. It be the person saying the shit to piss you off though, like on some real stuff. Like I'm gonna give y'all an example, and everybody don't be down with this, but like y'all know, me and my hunger, and I done told y'all when we done talked about it, me and my close friends, we do call each other bitches. We be like, bitch, shut the fuck up. Like we say shit like that, right? And it's never taken like on some like disrespecting that, but we say that. But I can't stand for a dude to call me a bitch. Like that shit pisses me off. Cause like nigga, fuck you calling me a bitch for? You know what I'm saying? It's when it's said by a particular person. You know what I'm saying? Some random chick calling me a bitch, I'ma see it as negative. I don't like that. But like I said, my homegirls can do so. Again, it be about how and who the person saying. But for a person to like be that upset about being called a hoe, it's definitely more to it than just being called a hoe. Like on some real shit. Like that's just my, my view of that shit. So let's run it. I know Miss Me with that BS. I'm surprised she ain't say I don't like the word. Cause like I know people that really don't like nobody calling them. But hell, Miss Me with that BS can tell I'll slip up and be no call to one time. Cause it's just like when we cool like that, it's just a habit. But I don't be meaning no harm by it. But it's like it's the way you say it too. Because like when I'm really like on that with somebody, it's like I put the extra in it. Like when I'm joking around with one of my homies, I'm like, bitch, stop it. But if you like you on my back, I'm like, bitch. Like, it's you say it differently. Now I don't really say hoe because like, man, motherfucker, 3 or 4s and made hoe not even seem like a bad thing. Like women these days, and I know I'm getting sidetracked, but women these making hoes seem like nothing. Like I don't say that word like that. Cause like people probably will be like, it is. They take you calling them a hoe like a badge of honor or some shit.
That's the
If they're
last
idle-
time you're gonna call me that?
Excuse me, I'm sorry.
That's the last time you're gonna call me that? That's not exactly an altercation.
They say hold
Is
it.
that-
Cal, come on. Now some real stuff, y'all, in the chat. If somebody tell you that's the last time you gonna do anything, you ain't gonna take that as a threat. Man, come on. If you tell me that's the last time you gonna walk, what? Like for real, I'm gonna go into the defense mode. What you mean? That's the last time you gonna do like when somebody come on, y'all. Really? Like y'all know that shit. Male or female. Dudes, fellas. If another man tell you you ain't coming in the store again. This the last time you coming in the store. Come on, you gonna like the fuck? Like, come on. She know that. And I don't even this not even no color thing. You know that. If somebody come tell you Judge Whitaker, you ain't gonna never judge again. Or this the last time you gonna be on that judge seat. You gonna take that shit as a threat for sure.
Okay.
Is that all you got?
That's all I have.
Okay. That's it. I think that this is 403 material.
More prejudicial than valuable.
Hoisted on my own petard, Your Honor.
Correct. All right, let's get the witness back in and the
All
jury
right, they about to get the cooking. Okay.
back in.
They just ran over the day.
Mom.
I actually don't remember. I thought it was kind of up in the air. You can ask her this. I didn't know she just said, hey, it's 403. So that explains why we ended up not hearing it. I didn't think
403. Mel, you know what 403 is, right?
Hold on, pause. No, listen. I'm telling you. Listen. I done had the best of both worlds before, and I say meaning I done lived in a hood before, and I done lived in what you would call the suburbs before. Anywhere you go, if somebody telling you this the last time you doing something, that's fighting words. I don't give a damn. Okay? Like for real. Go and those that want to do like the color thing, man, go tell a Caucasian person just the last time you walking down this street. Come on. They gonna take that as a threat. Like this, that's why I say it ain't even a color thing. It's not even a area thing. Like that's a threat. That's why I'm like, Judge, you know that's a threat. Because listen, if one of them attorneys would have came in the courtroom and said, Judge, that's the last time you overrule on my Egyptian, she gonna look at him like, fuck that's supposed to mean? Like, she gonna go in defense mode. That's why I'm like, she been playing. But again, I do think she's like, we too close to the finish line. But she know that.
And like I said throughout the video, that's my opinion. And if you don't like it, guess what?
I'm like, fuck you. I'm like, fuck you. Fuck you.
Hold on, wait, before I go, y'all make sure y'all tap in with me to book your slot. A lot of y'all be hitting me up on Instagram and the email wanting to just talk about content, whether you're an up-and-coming content creator or somebody just got questions about cases or whatever. Book your consultation with me now. The information is on the screen. Hey, make sure you get your slot, because my slots be filling up fast.
This is the weakest, give a fuck about what they scream.
Holla!
Shout out Mickey. Mickey, you gonna be big. Like,
I'm trying to conquer the world, coming from where I come from. Hey, this your girl, Mickey Truth, #1 blogger in South Carolina.